Hello, today we'll see functions and formulas in MS Excel. Microsoft Excel has many capabilities that make it suitable for use as a data management tool. It provides multiple features for organizing and managing data so that you can ensure that data is entered correctly and calculations and formulas are valid. Excel make use of formulas, mathematical expressions that you create, and functions, mathematical expressions that are already available in Excel to dynamically calculate results from the data available in your worksheet. Formula basics. Formulas in Microsoft Excel begin with an equal sign. This equal sign tells Excel that the succeeding characters constitute a formula. If you don't enter the equal sign, Excel will treat your entry as text and the calculation will fail. Entering formulas in Excel. You can also enter formulas by using the point mode, where you either click on a cell with your left mouse button or you use the arrow keys. Functions. Functions are predefined formulas that come with Excel. Entering functions. Functions differ from regular formulas in that after the equal sign you apply the cell address but not the arithmetic operators. Functions perform calculations by using specific values called arguments in a particular order called syntax. When using a function, remember the following. Use an equal sign to begin the function, specify the function name, enclose all the function arguments within parentheses, use a comma to separate the function individual arguments. Reference operators. Reference operators refer to a cell or a group of cells. There are two main types of reference operators, a range and a union. Now we look at the AutoSum function. You can use the AutoSum icon on the standard toolbar, which automatically adds the contents of a cluster of adjacent cells. Select the cell that the sum will appear in, that is outside the cluster of cells whose values will be added. Click the AutoSum button, Greek letter sigma. Highlight the group of cells that will be summoned. Press the enter key on the keyboard or click the green check mark on the formula bar. We look at the function wizard. You can access all the available functions in Excel using the function wizard. Select the cell where the function will be placed and click the function wizard button on the standard toolbar. Other ways of starting the function wizard are: select a function from the insert drop-down menu, click on the drop-down arrow next to the AutoSum icon button. You will see the commonly used functions in Excel, and at the bottom of the menu, the More Function option. Click on More Functions will give you an alphabetical and categorical list of all the available functions in Excel. The list of functions. The if function. The if function tests to see whether a given condition is true or false. Depending upon the result, different outcomes for the function can be specified. The if function has also been combined with other popular Excel functions to create such functions as SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF. The date and time functions. The mathematical and the trigonometrical function. the random and rounding number functions, the logical functions, the text and information functions, the count and database functions, the statistical functions, the financial functions, a function instead of a formula. Functions can be more efficient way of performing mathematical operation than the formulas. Especially in many cases, a function will simplify formulas that you can type in manually, such as average or sum. Some functions and example and description. Copying formulas of functions and self-references. You have three self-references: relative self-reference, absolute self-reference, and mixed self-reference. How to copy and paste a formula or a function. Relative self-reference. Absolute self-reference. Continuing with absolute reference. Mixed self-references. Continuing mixed self-references. Using named range formulas and functions. Thank you.